How to use Pictory AI tutorial for beginners. Pictory AI is an artificial intelligence powered platform or a tool that specializes in visual content creation and enhancement. It actually utilizes advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to generate, modify, or improve images and other visual media. Using Pictory AI, this actually enables users to achieve creative outcomes in a faster and more efficient manner. It can be used by artists, designers, content creators, or anyone who wants to explore new possibilities in visual content creation or enhancement without requiring extensive manual editing or design skills. And the good thing here is that since with this platform, this mainly uses the AI to generate the videos for you, it actually saves you a lot of time. So you just need to tweak a little details if you want to change or improve a specific part of the video that is created. And in order for you to start creating your own videos, you can actually sign up here for free on Pictory, or you can actually log in into your account if ever you have created your own Pictory AI account. Here you can actually sign in or sign up with your Google account, or you can simply fill out all these details here. But if you do have an account created here on Pictory, you can actually log in with your Google account as well, like this one. If you already created an account, you'll be redirected into this page where you can just simply click on continue with Google, and then it automatically logs you in into your Pictory AI account. And you just wait for it to load up. And here it is. So this will be your dashboard. Pictory AI actually offers a lot of options here or features like creating a video from script to video, where you just write the script or input the script, and then they will be the one to create the video for you. You can also use an article to video. You can input or paste the URL of the specific article, and then Pictory will create a video here. There's also edit video with text and a lot more. So here for our demo today, I will let ChatGPT to create a poem for me, so that we will, from this poem, we will be creating a video, or Pictory AI rather will be creating a video for us using these information. So you can input the title of the video, and then here what you need to do is you can actually have the lines, or you need to have these phrases or sentences per line, so that you will be able to generate more accurate videos here. So you can actually set up as well the scene settings, where you can auto highlight the words, or you can auto visual selections, or you can actually create new scenes on either on the pause or into another line, or you can actually have it both. So once you have all of the details in set, you can actually click on proceed, and you'll be routed into this page where this is where you need to choose a template that Pictory AI will work on in incorporating your or creating your website for you, or website, I mean the video for you. So here there's a lot of options depending on what type of scene you like or what type of theme you like for your template. You can definitely use that option as well. So you have a lot of options here depending on what feel you like for your video that you'll generate. So basically what you just need to look into is how the text will appear. So if you are writing a poem, I would suggest to have a slower or a more subtle text or subtitles, or um, text that is incorporated here into my video that we are creating. And once you have chosen a template, you can actually set up what type of format would it be, whether it's portrait, landscape, or square format. So you have that option. Once done, you can actually click on proceed or create the video and just wait for it to load. this may take a while. So if ever it already shows completed and it still does not generate or redirect you to another page, you can actually refresh the website, and then it will show you the video that it generated or Pictory has generated for you. Here, just wait for it to fully load up. So I'll just refresh this, and as you can see, with each line of the poem that we have encoded earlier, it actually highlighted each words that, or it automatically highlights the words into from each line, and they will be looking into videos, into their stock videos here in Pictory, and they will be creating each scene for each line here. So as you can see here, so there's different videos in different screen, and it also shows the text within each scene as well. So each line is equal to one scene, and it also has automatically generated a video for that specific theme with a highlighted word on it. So you can actually look into those details here, where you can, if you wish to change the specific video that Pictory generated for you, you can actually do so as well. But before we do that, you can actually look into the details here. So for example, you want to delete the scene, you can just click on the scene, click on delete. If you want to preview, just click on preview. If you want to trim the video, you have that option. And here as well, you have the settings where how you would like the video to be viewed, whether you want it looped, you want to hide the text. And here as well, you can add another scene as well by clicking the plus icon here on the right side or the left side, depending on where you want to add it. You can even add a voiceover, whether you want to record the voiceover or you want to upload the voiceover. So here on the right side or left side panel of the screen, where you will be able to see the script that we have, you can actually browse into the different lines, and then you can simply click on them, and then it will automatically view the scene here in the preview pane. So if you want to change the scene here, you have that option as well. So it actually is very accurate. And if ever you want the line to interchange, you can actually have that option by clicking or hovering into one of the lines, and then you can actually drag and drop that into the wherever you want to position it. So here under visuals, this is where I mentioned you earlier, where you can actually use a video here and then replace the scene that you want to incorporate into a video. So for example, for scene 11, it shows coral garden, so I want it to have more colors in it. So we can actually look into the search bar and from the library, and then we can actually look for coral or coral garden, and then it will provide you a lot of stock videos that you can use or replace the current video that Pictory AI generates for you. So you can actually do this to every scene that you have. If ever some scenes are very far from what that line wants you to portray, you can actually edit that here as well. So some of the videos here that you will look into are quite limited, so you can actually look or browse into all the videos first before you will be able to choose one, so that you will be able to choose the best. So here I'll just choose this first option that we have. When I click on it, you will see that here on the preview pane, you see that the scene for, or the video for the scene 11 actually changed automatically. So when you click on preview, it will play for you. And that's the same video as what we clicked here on the visuals. There. So another option here is elements, where you can add emojis, GIFs, stickers into the video. You also have audio where you can modify the background music of the video that you have. And you can even incorporate text where you have the heading, subheading, or body text, but this will not be included on the voiceover. It actually is just for a title that you want to incorporate here. So styles, and here your branding. If you want to have your branding or your logo incorporated, you can have that as well. And here under format, this is where you can change. If, for example, you have it currently on portrait, but you want it landscape, you definitely have that option. And once you're satisfied with it, you can click on preview, or you can go ahead and download the video you have and then just wait for it to fully load. It may take quite a few minutes for it to fully download. But here I just skipped the video for you so that you will see that the video is now ready to be downloaded. So you just click on the download button. You can actually use copy link or export the video or export the text. You have that option, but you can actually download the video as well so that it will be saved into your computer. And once that's fully downloaded, you can actually look into your folder or into your computer, and the since we titled the video Ocean, that's the name of the video that we created. So I'll be opening the file here. So what you can do is just hover on the downloaded item and then click on the folder icon, and you will see that the ocean here is now downloaded and is already documented into my files. So you can definitely still edit the video here. It's actually saved as a project here on your account in Pictory. So you don't have to worry. You can actually do edit or change it later on if ever you need revisions or you need to revise a certain part of the video. And as you can see, it's actually on your project. You just click on the top part of your account, and you can see beside get started, you can have my projects, and you'll be able to see the different projects you created here on Pictory. And that's basically it. That's how you use Pictory AI, and that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.